Please make sure to keep all hands on the left side. Tour adults are the opening. Our next stop will be Main Street Station. But before we get there, we are going to take a detour through the Grand Canyon and the Primeval World. Once we enter the Grand Canyon, please no flash photography or video lighting.
Did you feel?
I didn't hear it. I didn't hear anything.
She got you 8 out of 10. Yeah, 8 out of 10. A lot of people are. They just showed in the country.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. We're now returning to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings.
Please enter as we come to a full and complete stop in Main Street Station.
And with me for the Grand Circle tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
Thank you for watching. More videos are coming. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think. Plus, here's some videos just recently and a video just for you. See you later.
Calico Mountain back in 1882. You might